Petrify. To make someone feel extremely frightened. The sudden roar of thunder could petrify even the bravest person. Nostalgic. A sentimental longing for the past. Listening to the old song made him feel nostalgic about his childhood. Pensive. Deep in thought, often with a hint of sadness. She looked pensive as she gazed out of the window. Serenade. A musical performance, typically done to express romantic feelings. He decided to serenade her under the balcony. Jubilant. Extremely joyful. The team was jubilant after winning the championship. Amiable. Friendly and pleasant. Her amiable personality made her easy to approach. Zealous. Showing great enthusiasm or devotion. She was zealous about protecting the environment. Luminous. Emitting bright light. The moon was luminous in the night sky. Exquisite. Extremely beautiful or delicate. The artwork was an exquisite masterpiece. Mellifluous. Sweet-sounding, pleasant to hear. Her mellifluous voice captivated the audience. Pristine. In its original condition, unspoiled. The beach was pristine, untouched by human activity. Candid. Honest and straightforward. She gave a candid response to the tough question. Enigmatic. Mysterious and difficult to understand. The old book contained enigmatic symbols that puzzled scholars. Harbinger. A sign or indication of something to come. The dark clouds were a harbinger of an approaching storm. Mirth, amusement or happiness. The comedy show filled the room with laughter and mirth. Vivid, bright and distinct in color. The sunset painted the sky in vivid shades of orange and pink. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.